Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna see which one of these is better. Which one of these chicken pot pies is better. And I love me some chicken pot pies. But let's see, let's do a little comparison. Cook them both up and see which one's better. So I'm gonna guess that this one's better. Well, just because it's Marie, this was 87 cents at Walmart. This was $2.50. This one looks a little thicker. We'll see, never know, might be a surprise. But I'm gonna give this one a fair shot, the Banquet. So these guys make good hot wings too, out of the bag, you know? I mean, for frozen. So let's see, do a little comparison. Okay, this one's so claiming 17 grams of protein. Mainly going for taste here, but why not check them all out? 11 grams of protein, okay. More protein in this one. Let's see, 610 calories. This is 350, but is that per serving? Looks like it. Per serving, per container. Oh, per serving, yep, 610 per serving. So let's see, serving size is 1 pie. Okay, so that's interesting. So this is like double the calories, but you know, look at just about double the size. So we'll bust them out. I'm gonna go ahead and cook them both up in the mic. Okay, here's another difference for microwaving. This says you got to pull it out and put it on a microwave safe plate. Give that a try. There we go. This one's kind of nice. You don't need an extra separate plate for it. It's just tear the top off. Cook it in. And here we're going to cook it for 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. That baby's getting done. All right, here we go. They're both done. Let's go ahead and try the Banquet one. All right. Let's get some more light on this. Okay, this sauce is, it smells good. Little pieces of chicken in there. Definitely looking pretty darn good. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah, that does smell good. Let's try it. That's really good. Nice chickeny, roasted chickeny flavor. Let me get a little bit of this crust in here. The crust is my favorite. I like these things since I was a little kid. That's good. I'll eat that all day long. So if you really want to make a cheap meal, throw this on some rice. 87 cents. Throw it on some rice and maybe a couple eggs on there. Good to go. You know, some fried eggs, or that's good. I can keep eating that, no problem. Let's try this one. See if I can get some chicken in there. Okay, so definitely some bigger. Marie's is definitely bigger. I don't know if it's twice. I don't know if it's twice. I wouldn't say it's twice as big. It's over twice the cost. So it looks like a little bit bigger chunks of meat, little whiter chunks of meat. You know, those are a little darker there. So, you know, let's see. Well, honestly, I was biased, right? I thought this one was gonna be better. If I'm picking, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get the Banquets. I'll probably get 2 of them. You know, I would get 2 of them if I'm gonna make a meal. They're 87 cents at Walmart. $2.50, but that still isn't bad. And Marie's is good. But I do like carrots. It's a little overkill on the carrots for me. And so, lots of carrots in this. So this one, you'll notice, not so much carrots, a little more meat. You know, I mean, as far as ratio goes, the carrot to meat ratio. And so, try this one more time. I'd say if they could cut down on the carrots a little bit, they might have a chance, but I'm picking Banquet. Yeah, try it one more time here. That's really good. But it doesn't taste as good when you're coming off of this. This is where it's at. Got more chickeny flavor. I like the darker meat in there. Yeah, I guess they made them a little bit bigger, but I don't care. You know, I mean, you could keep it small, put it on a big thing of rice. Or just eat it like this, so. Talking with my mouth full, sorry. Yeah, there we have it. Clear winner to me. All right, thanks for watching.